answer this one. Which of the following ordered pairs is the solution of the system? X plus y equals 8. And the second equation is 3x plus 2y equals 21. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, pwede natin ito i-check isa-isa. Okay, so gamitin natin yung letter A sa ating first equation. X plus y equals 8. So, x is 2 plus, tapos yung y is 4 equals 8. So, this is false. So, huwag na natin ituloy yan. So, yung letter B, x plus y equals 8. So, x natin is negative 2 plus 6 is 4. So, 8. So, this is false. Okay? So, letter C, x plus y equals 8. So, x is 4 plus y is 3. So, 7. So, this is also false. So, yung letter D, x plus y equals 8. So, x is 5 plus y is 3. So, equals 8. So, 8 equals 8. So, this is true. So, what about yung second equation? 3x plus 2y equals 21. So, 3 times yung x natin is 5 plus 2, yung y natin is 3 equals 21. So, 3 times 5, 15 plus 6 equals 21. So, 21 equals 21. So, this is also true. So, therefore, the correct answer is letter D.